everyone, Vicki Peters here with the United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine. I am the listing agent here on this remote cabin in the Maine woods in Kingman Township. And Kingman Township is in Penobscot County. It's basically right on the cusp of Aroostook County. So it's a very rural area. So if you're looking for a Maine escape with seclusion and privacy, this could be for you. It does sit on 45 acres and it does border a stream, Crossunctic. I know I just butchered that name completely. I can actually hear the stream right now in the background, and there's over 3,000 feet on the stream. So what we'll do is we'll walk around. I'll show you around the camp, and then we'll go ahead and take a look inside. So this cabin is 16 by 30. You do not have a septic system here. Instead, you have the outhouse. You do not have water here, so the current owners do carry their water in. You could go down to the stream and get water there if you needed that. So the cabin has wood siding on it, and it has a metal roof, and the cabin was built in 1985 according to the state's tax card information. You do have the camp sitting on piers and posts here. The cabin itself does have one bedroom. It has bunk beds. We'll go ahead and check that out later. As far as the land goes, you do have this open space here. So before I take you inside the cabin, I just wanted to point out this covered porch. So this would be a great porch to sit out of the elements. And you could also screen this in as well, keep those nasty flies away. We'll go ahead and go inside. So as you walk into the camp, it does have the openness to it. You do have the new cabinets over here with the Formica countertop. And you do have a gas cooking stove here. So we are off-grid. This cabin is off-grid, no electricity. And you do have the propane gas and wood stove for heat. So you do have the sink here and the two windows that face out to the stream. You can't see the stream. There is a path out there, and we'll go ahead and take you down the path after we show you the inside of the camp to show you the stream. So they do have some bunk beds here, and then they have another bed here. So you can actually sleep quite a few people. So the way they have it set up, you would have 2, 4, as far as the bunk beds. You have a twin here, so that would be 5. And then you could also put another twin here if you wanted to, or another set of bunk beds. They also in the living room do have the futon, so you could also sleep 2 there. So we are off grid, however, this is wired for a generator. So you do have these recessed lights that are all hooked up. You would have to plug it into a generator. It's not, it would be like a gas, or I guess you could do a propane generator as well. You also have the ceiling fan and those lights too that's hooked up to the generator, and the plugins as well. So as you come down the driveway, you do open up to this wide open area. So there's plenty of room for parking. If people wanted to bring in campers, set up some tents, you have plenty of room for that. These 2 trees, they did plan on putting a swing here. So that would be a great setup for those trees. Also, I want to mention that they did plant some pear trees and fruit trees. So we have those over here on the edge of the woods right here. That will be great if you do decide you want to do some canning. So we do have the fire pit here too. So this would make a great place to hang out in the evening and have some drinks or make some s'mores. Earlier when I was in the camp, I did mention the propane tank. So this is the propane tank here, and it is an owned tank. However, you could easily have Dead River or any propane supplier come out here and set a new tank and get that delivered. So now we'll head down and I will show you guys the stream. So we are now down to the stream, and it is a very short path, and it's easy going, and there's no incline or anything coming down here. So this would make a great area to clear out and put like a gazebo down here, a screened in gazebo. And you have over 3,000 feet of frontage on the stream. And the stream actually borders one whole side of the property line. When we head back out, I will actually show you on the main road where the property lines start. So how you would get into your new main camp is you would take 170 on Kingman Township, and then you would take the Chipper Road, and you would go up the Chipper Road about 2 miles, and then you would take a left on your driveway, and then the driveway is about 6/10 of a mile. So you're secluded, it's very private. However, it's not that far off the paved road. And Kingman Township is known for recreational, for hunting, fishing, snow sledding. The snow sled trail is right here. You can hop on a sled, you can hop on an ATV. So you do have access to all of that right here from your camp. So this is the border of the property, as I mentioned before. So we are on Chipper Road, and this is Crossunctic. And again, I know I'm butchering that name, stream. So again, this is the border of the property. There's over 3,000 feet. The property is completely surveyed. So you will see the blue spray paint blazed on the trees, and that is the property line. I do not have a survey map. However, it's clearly marked, so you won't have any trouble finding your boundaries. So if you're looking for a getaway in the Maine woods, off-grid lifestyle, low maintenance, or maybe you just want to set yourself up for future off-grid living, this would be a great spot to do it. So just to recap the video today, we have the 1-bedroom cabin on 45 acres, and it's off-grid, so you have your outhouse. They do carry in their water. And the price on this property is $139,900. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you know anyone that's looking for an off-grid camp in Maine, please share this listing with them. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.